Hi guys, today we just received a new shipment from Federal Express, and I'm not going to tell you what's inside, but it's something very special because it's actually part of our Gem Paul White series collection. Come along into this room and I'll show you what's actually inside the box, right? So typically, before I unboxing this box, what I will be doing is I will disinfect it first, right? So there you go. And usually it comes in this metal box. So what I'll be doing is, well, as you can see, it's actually fully taped up already to secure the ring itself, right? So I'm just gonna bring this out. And here's the one. This is actually the order for the ring, right? So I will actually plug this out right now and showcase what's in this ring. Yeah, so this ring here is not only custom cut for our client, it's also handcrafted, right? What's so special about this ring is actually a white series oval 8 hearts and arrows, and I can't wait to show you under the different lighting condition. Alright, so the first lighting condition which I'm going to show you guys will be under this diffuse lighting, where you will be able to find them at homes and offices. And this ring is really special because it belongs to our Oval 8 Hearts and Arrows White Series collection. If you guys don't know, traditional ovals actually have really lacking light performance, where they typically appear darker. So if you noticed, our White Series oval is extremely bright even under natural and diffuse lighting conditions. The Oval 8 millis beside it are also custom cut to exacting proportions to accentuate your main diamond. And this ring is really special because it's really a beautiful trilogy settings on an 18K white gold band with the prongs and sharp tips set on a 4-prong settings. This setting is usually very classic and timeless. Now if you look at its side profile, you will notice that each diamond is extremely leveled with the trilogy setting style that makes the side profile extremely attractive and mesmerizing. Usually, you may find really thick bands outside don't go well with the diamond size. But if you notice, this 18K white gold band is actually extremely proportionate and tapered thinner to the main diamond as well to really make your diamond pop. Now, the second lighting condition would be under a GemX LED light source, which showcases direct lightings, and you can really just see the fire and scintillation. You get to see colorful rainbow flashes and big chunky flashes of fire, and this is really what you get to see in real life. This trilogy ring right now is really captivating at the moment, even when you are viewing your trilogy ring from a far distance. At slight tilts, similar to the movement of her fingers, will set off a fireworks display. And even one thing unique about our Oval 8 would be its larger chunkier flashes of fire that's even more captivating than what you would see in round brilliant cuts. Really special, aren't they? You can imagine wearing your diamond ring under intense spotlights, or even in restaurants, shopping malls. This rainbow flashes is really what you are gonna see, and it's gonna be scintillating as well with this small to medium to large bowl fire. Now I'm under this sheltered area outdoors daylight in front of our retail showroom, and it's also very cloudy right now. Just look how bright the Oval 8 is. You can see how brilliant these diamonds are. And these are not strong lights, but usually natural everyday light. Look at this white flashes and how bright the oval diamond is no matter how I tilt the diamonds. If your diamonds are cut well, it would display such a beautiful light display. Here's our new ring box with the custom trilogy ring. Look at how delicate and mesmerizing this trilogy ring is. I really can't wait to show this to our client. And I hope you enjoy our video and this beautiful handcrafted trilogy ring. Thanks for watching.